Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some real cool and interesting stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you the best way of how to blend a design onto a road. It's currently the World Cup, so I thought I would use the World Cup logo and I'd like to sort of blend it within the road just to give it that sort of like worn effect in the sense of where cars have been driving over this logo and the perspective as well. So question should be is how do we do it? Obviously guys, that's what I'm about to show you. Okay, so with my move tool here, I'm just going to get my move tool and just open up our layers. I'm just going to select this one here, top layer, and just press backspace to remove. And as you can see, I've already got a preset one available for us here to use. That hasn't been affected as of yet. Okay, so I just want to make this logo a little bit bigger. So the shortcut to do that is Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. And I'm just going to resize from the center point with the keyboard shortcut of Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, just to resize it about that amount there. What I may even do, guys, is currently a smart object. Once I'm happy with the sizing, always try and keep smart, always resize with smart objects because you'll never lose any quality in the pixel, the resolution of the item that you have as a smart object. But now I've resized it to a point where I'm quite happy. I'm just going to rasterize it. So I'm going to go right click and rasterize the layer. Yeah, again, I need to get my transformation commandments open. So I'm going to press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. And we're going to go right click perspective. And I'm going to draw these out here like so. Wonderful. Maybe need to make that a little bit smaller now. So just press Command T. There we go, probably around that size there. But yeah, again, we'll go right click perspective. Let's drag these out a little bit like so. Place that down there and press enter. Wonderful. So I've got my perspective on the logo correct, but we need to give that sort of worn effect to it. So we need to affect our layer style. So if we just double click the layer, we need to be affecting our underlying layer. So first of all, I'm just going to decrease the black option here and press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, just to split that there. And as you can see, coming through there a little bit like that. Maybe manipulate the white as well, potentially. Let's set around like that there. Okay. And there you have it, guys. That's how you best place a design and blend it onto a road. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.